Hello my friends from around the world. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to enable a 3-finger drag on macOS Sequoia. But I'm sure this process works on any other modern macOS with like a few insignificant tweaks, I would say. Now let's get straight into it. First, open System Settings, click Accessibility. Scroll down and click on Pointer Control. Then click on Trackpad Options button, shown here. From the pop-up window, turn on Use Trackpad for dragging. Then, from the dragging style drop-down list, select 3-finger drag. Now place your mouse pointer on any item or like a toolbar app window or any other window, and simply place the 3 fingers on the trackpad and drag the window in any direction you wish. I'm not sure you need the following, but you have to lift fingers from the trackpad to drop whatever you're dragging. But I just love the 3-finger drag, and the whole point of turning it on is that you can. It's kind of hard to explain, but let me try. When you drag an item on your Mac's desktop, like to a certain point that is quite far away, and while dragging, you reach the end of the trackpad, but your item isn't quite there yet, you can still quickly lift your fingers and start dragging from the center of the trackpad and keep moving the item without accidentally dropping it halfway through. Does that make any sense to you? I mean, I know it might be a tiny feature for most of Mac users anyway, and the least thing to worry about, but I got used to it since like 2013 or something, and I drag a lot of files and window corners, and I do Photoshop dragging and Figma editing that involves dragging, and that is simply a vital feature to my work process, and I hope it will be useful after this video for you as well. Alright, enough of this rambling. If you like this video, as always, consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.